Grabe siya ka-productive and political activism, nalilang Philippine League and advocate for education, champion of human rights, a visionary leader, and a bridge between cultures and inspirational figures. Rizal as a physician, medical education, practice and service, and medical writings. Legacy and impact, national hero, symbol of patriotism, influence on Philippine culture. And kapag na nagtanong as siyang nag-gugna, naghimo aning no, si Tam Here and El Filigos Wills. So the Rizal bird, he discovered a new species of bird, which was later named Apu-Apu in his honor. It is known as the Rizal bird. Other discoveries, he also documented other species of plants and animals in Bakitan, contributing to our understanding of Philippine biodiversity. Ethnographic studies, he researched the local culture and customs of the indigenous people in the Bakitan, contributing to anthropological understanding. So Rizal and the arts. Artistic talents. Besides his writing, Rizal also demonstrated talent in various art forms. He was skilled in painting, sculpting, and even music. Portraits and sketches, he created numerous portraits and sketches often depicting his family, friends, and the people he encountered during his travels. Musical compositions, he composed several musical pieces, including songs and piano compositions. So sa bisagasa bitaw siya nga field o bisagasa siya nga area is excel dito siya kay grabe siya ka-talented o nga na siya ka-gifted. So dito sa question, what made you think this character is gifted? Identify the gifted characteristics of this character. So sa akong gibasa gaina, dili ko ba niyo mahuna-hunaan gifted na siya? So grabe no, gifted na gid siya. So sa mga magdodoro ko mga magkuhan na grabe siya sa tanan, sa music, mapa-arts, mapa-literature, tanan. So ang characteristics, he are some of the gifted characteristics that made him stand. Intellectual brilliance. He demonstrated exceptional intellectual abilities from a young age. So 7 years old pa siya, 7 years old, nakahimo na siya og poem, magrabe na ka known karon, which is to his beloved children ba? Sila aking mga kapatid. The next, multifaceted talented. Rizal's genius extended beyond his academic pursuits. He was gifted writer, poet, artistic, and scientist doctor, showcasing his versatility and creativity in various fields. Next, linguistic proficiency. Rizal is fluent in 22 languages, is a testament to his linguistic field. So, grabe no, 22 language. Yang nahibawan. The next, critical thinking and analytical skills. Rizal's writings and advocacy reflect his ability to think critically, analyze complex social and propose solutions. Next, artistic talents. So were evident in his painting, sculpture, and sketching.
So the next question is, describe the ways in which the character's giftedness manifests and how people around the gifted child respond to Charles' characteristics. So when we say manifest is kung giunsa niya in giftedness giunsa niya pagpakita. So Rizal's giftedness in his shows or manifest his giftedness in his exceptional intellect. Agree ba mo nga si Rizal is genius? So ano siya, tapos he's not just as gifted, also talented siya in various fields like arts. Di ba dyan sila mga arts din? Something is not sure. Sa sculpture, di ba? Isa na si Jan. Then, siya ibagay artistic talents, nila niya napakita sa mga katauhan nga makonsider sila as gifted. Then, in observation, grabe siya as in observing laban sa mga Kastila. Then, what I can using his writings or literature. So, kung ikaw kung isa ra ka normal na tao, kung dili ka gifted, do you think na makumpirni mo ang isa ka something imong enemy through writing ra kung wa kay imong sitaw ani exceptional intellect. So, lagi exceptional intellect. So, next is giunsa kuno how people around the gifted shall respond to child's characteristics. Giunsa mo kuno pag-respond sa mga taong nakapalibot sa iya sa iyang characteristics. So, meanwhile, his family supported his development of activism and outspoken of criticism towards Spanish rule. Diba mo ko mo na diba bro sa nag-critic sa niya ang mga Spanish. And then, it leads to both admiration and opposition. Gi-admire nila si Rizal, pero sa tingin ko opposition kay na may mga factors, something harmful factors or mga consequences na possible niya na ma-encounter.
The question number 3 is, in which profile of gifted individuals does this character fall? The successful, creative, underground, altruist, twice exceptional, autonomous learner. So, Jose Rizal is most likely aligns to profile of an autonomous learner. Kaya naman, he is self-directed learning. He was learner who pursue knowledge across various disciplines like literature, science and art, language, o diba, abtik siya mo og mga poem, tapos dagan siya na buhat ng mga achievements, tapos nakalimot mo ito, nakamimot siya books nga hantod karon ginakuan gihapon, which is knowledge ng Herodotus.
So number 4, what factors in the story were helpful and harmful to these characters' giftedness? What were the consequences brought about by these factors to the character? So first is sa helpful factors. So di ba si Rizal is gifted siya. So as a gifted na learner is naka-access siya of early education. And then naka-travel sab siya and na-expose siya to new culture. Kaya diba sa kadaghan nga lugar nga iyang giatuan, syempre iya man jung makuan ang mga culture ato nga mga bansa. Then, passion for learning. Tungod kay invested siya maka-learn in various fields, so mao nag-learn sab siya og mga linguistic proficiency, which is daghan siya mga languages nga nahibaw-an. Then, sa harmful factors, Spanish colonial rule. Kay gigamit ni Rizal ang iyang pagka-giftedness nga labanan ang mga Spanish ato nga time, gamit lang ang iyahang exceptional intellectual ability. Then, sa consequences, di ba nahimo siyang national hero tungod sa iyang kagifted? Kaya gigamit man niya sa tarong ang iyahang pagka-gifted. Then, literary legacy. Di ba daghan siya yung mga nakabiling yung mga literary works? And then, tragic end.
So question number 5, as a future teacher, how would you handle students with the same characteristics as this character? So, grabe yung mo ka-sorting, no? Estudyante ka mga parehang pisa, di ba grabe na ninyo kakuan, kay gifted na siya, talented pa. So, ang imo ra ana is, kinahanglan na kanimo nga i-met ang iyang mga needs, aron nga, dili sab siya ma-demotivate kita sila sa pag-eskwela o padayon nga gihapon niyang excel sa various fields.
So, as a future teacher, ang ako is I would embrace the multifaceted approach in order to recognize their unique strengths and weaknesses para ma-address ang ilang mga potential challenges. So, once nahibaw di ba, as a teacher, kailangan na sila ito ilahon na itong mga students for us to know kung kini siya is dali na aspect okay siya. So, kung sa dali na aspect, tanaw na po din siya. Okay, so, as a teacher, tanaw na ito kung sa
pronounce it